What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Hard Park 703 channel. So it is drop dead gorgeous today. No humidity. It's perfect for a car show. And today there's one of my favorite car shows going down today. So I'm gonna head there now. And luckily, finally for once, I'm actually early. So if I keep talking, I'm not gonna be early. But we're gonna get there. I think there's probably gonna be a billion people there already. So I'm gonna try to get there, get a good spot, and then I'll pick it up as soon as I get there. Actually, before I even start up the vehicle, let me show you what the vehicle looks like right now. That is all nice and shiny, cleaned up and everything with the front splitter. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. That looks awesome. Oh, I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy with it. All right, I made it. I was supposed to be here early, right? Yeah, that didn't happen. So they were doing construction on the highway that I take to get here, and they had no signs whatsoever stating that the road was just completely torn up. And so I see the truck in front of me just completely just boom, straight down. And luckily two nice gentlemen in the G37 just let me over because I just cut over, and then I was this close from just like completely, the car would have been destroyed. So that really sucked. So anyways, I zigzagged all the way here. It took me like 40 minutes to get here. And for that matter, I just stepped in dog poop. Luckily it was dry, so that's why I looked down. Yeah, that really bummed me out. There was no parking whatsoever. I'm parked like, I don't know, like I'm across the street pretty much from the show at this point. But like you guys have no idea how crazy this show is. This is I say it every time, this is insane. This is by far the craziest I've seen it. So I'm just gonna start trying to film what I can because there's just way too much. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get everything. So let's get started. Check this thing out. Purple's gorgeous. That's pretty crazy. I just noticed it's only got one mirror. I love this BMW. I see it all the time at the shows and stuff, but it just keeps getting better and better looking. The owner always changes something up. Just looks so good. I noticed the the spoiler on the rear is different. I don't remember seeing that one. That's pretty cool. I think the wheels are different too. I have no idea what this is, but it looks gorgeous. Just everything about it, the wheels, the front end, everything. It's a nice looking RS5. This thing is ridiculously low. Like ridiculously low. I don't know how he doesn't scrape. I mean, if he took 28, he probably had the same problem I did. He just probably didn't complain and just took it like a man. Check that out. you to get an idea of how big that truck is. Just look at that. That's a really nice red. It's crazy. Oh, that's pretty cool. Carbon fiber backing. That's awesome. That's a really nice interior. Wow. Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, that's why I haven't really pushed this at all. Maybe like a couple times, but I tried to. Yeah, there's a couple.
Just look at the shine on this thing. This definitely got my attention. Wow. That's awesome. What's up, man? Look at this thing. That's so cool. Look at that. That's a really nice green. It's a Mach 1.
No, that's the reason I didn't go with one of these cars. I really wanted like a 335i like this, but this is a yeah, it's a 335. Last weekend.
Tree over there.
That looks awesome. Those seats are awesome. Look at this thing. That's really cool. That's awesome. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. That's awesome. What's up, man? How you doing? That's awesome. Check this out. I didn't notice this before. That's awesome. That's such a cool window. Check that out. That's awesome. Oh, wow. Wow.
All the way down. You got the baseball field on up there. We just started this week.
Awesome. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. I think I got everything. This was crazy. Like it's just all over the place. Wow. All right. I think I'm gonna head home. I'll pick it up. Well, whenever I get home, I gotta take back roads again. But I'll pick it up. Hey, all right. Just made it back home. I garaged the car for 30 minutes just to cool it off a little bit because I gotta wash it again. Considering I have a show tomorrow, they want registered cars, I guess, to be there like at 10:30. It's not till 12, but I guess if you're gonna be there at 10:30, there's no way. I mean, I can crank this thing on at 7 in the morning. Well, without being a jerk neighbor for that matter. So, kind of trying to play with angles or whatever. Sun's kind of going down like that. So trying to, so driveway here, whatever. I'm trying to set this up so then that way as it sets, it kind of casts a shadow here. I don't know. We'll play around. But anyways, all right. So that was a pretty crazy show. I've got to edit so much footage and stuff like that. And then, yeah, I gotta start washing this thing so I can't take too long talking to you guys, which you guys are probably gonna be happy about. But yeah, all right, I've got like 2 hours left for the sun, so I gotta hurry up. All right, so if you like that video, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe. And I'm gonna be bringing another car show to you. I don't know. Within like 2 days, I'll upload the next one. So yeah, all right, stay tuned. Bye.